Text replacement can help to reduce repetitive tasks such as typing your name, address, school, etc. by creating a short abbreviation for the word or phrase you want to use. Text replacement can also help with spelling, particularly with words which are consistently spelled wrongly, such as phonetic spelling. To turn on text replacement, go to Settings, then to General, then to Keyboard. Text replacement is just at the top. To add a new text replacement, tap or click on the plus sign on the top right. Here you enter the phrase, and below you enter the shortcut. There is some text just below to explain how to do it. Here are some examples. For example, AB, abbreviation expansion, can help to increase typing speed. ACC, accommodation. Now, in the Notes app, when I type AB, the abbreviation expansion appears, and all I need to do is to press the spacebar to enter it. Similarly, if I go down the next one and write accommodation, a word I always spell wrong, just by typing in ACC, it appears below, and then I enter the spacebar to add it in. Another example might be pharaohs. So I spell pharaohs, or physics, and the text is replaced with the correct spelling.